My thought process is where I'm flying from, clear line of sight. So, like, let's look over here. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is perfect. Alrighty, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. I don't really do the whole YouTube thing very much. Just do it for fun sometimes. And if people are really interested in me doing more YouTube content, let me know, because I don't know, it's just never really wanted to be like a YouTuber, but you never know. If people really enjoy my content, I'll do it. Successful flight. Successful. Everything good. We are going to go to another spot. One hard thing about long range is trying to find a safe place to fly. Gonna probably fly over there. Take off from like right over here. Got the beautiful river. Ooh, I can get some shots of the river too.
Set your mind, it's written in gold. Don't say no, let it unfold out. I will take the embrace, so still is where I'm found. All I know is an ocean note, and the look on your face was here in every sign. Still you're mine, there's oceans below. Raise your sail and then let go.
Well, here's another spot. I'm thinking up here in this orange there. It's freaking beautiful though. Very beautiful. That's gonna be sick to get on camera. It's starting to clear up a little bit. Just waiting for that a little bit more. Take off.
Can you do me a favor? When I take off, grab the landing strip.
I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all want me to do more polished vlogs or adventure filmmaking stuff, let me know. If I had a really big push from everybody to do it, I'll do it more. I'd probably be able to do a video every week if I wanted to, with FPV, filmmaking, or anything y'all would like. I would say today was very successful in diving some of the mountains that I hit and some of the aspens that I flew over. Oh, so beautiful. If anyone wants me to keep doing this and you guys want me to be very consistent, I can do that. YouTube is not my main stuff, I guess. I just do it for fun. Thanks for tuning in.